Hello from Ibiza guys, Andy from CryptoDeals here, and now we are going to talk about what can we expect to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum within the next hours and days. So first of all, as you can see, Bitcoin has been trading within this huge descending yellow channel since a couple of weeks already. And by the way guys, if you also want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses, okay? So let me show you guys what is going on right now. As you can see here, the RSI on the hourly time frame is already almost in the overbought territory. And as you can see here, Bitcoin is right now trading within this turquoise triangle, yeah? And we don't want to jump blindly into trades. That means if you are not in a trade right now, I will show you what you can do. For example, we are going to break out. As of right now, we don't know in which direction. That means if we break out, for example, to the upside, I can show you the target. Let's say we would break out here, then we would have a target of around, $27,500. And this would also be in confluence with this yellow resistance line. On the other hand, if you would break out to the downside, we could go even lower, and actually we have again confluence because the target would be around this yellow support line at around $24,500, okay? So basically what we have to do now is we just wait and we see in which direction Bitcoin is going to break out, okay? And based on this then, we can enter a long trade if we break out to the upside, of course, and a short trade if we break out to the downside. And you see the confluence of the two yellow lines here. This would also be the price targets, okay? So just wait and see what happens, then enter a trade if you're not in the trade right now. Let me show you what's going on with Ethereum because it's a similar scenario. We have been trading, basically right now we are trading in this turquoise triangle, and as of right now you see this yellow was previous resistance line, and we broke out of it and we broke under the yellow resistance line again, and right now we have to wait, same as with Bitcoin. The question is, will we break out to the upside or downside? Because as you can see here, if we would break out to the downside, the target would be as low as $1,615 around there, and if we would break out to the upside, let me show you guys, then the target would be of course higher. Let's say we would break out here. This would bring a target of around $1,877, okay? So basically, if you're not in a trade right now, just wait and see what's going to happen, because both scenarios are likely right now, and whatever is going to happen, this gives us an opportunity for the next trade, guys, okay? So just wait and see, and then you can open your trades. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.